Understanding the phrase, bring it home, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, bring it home. This phrase is not just about physically bringing something to your house. It has a deeper, more metaphorical meaning. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this phrase together. First, let's break down the literal meaning of bring it home. The word bring means to carry or transport something to the place where the speaker is, or to the place being referred to. Home refers to the place where one lives. So, literally, it means taking something to one's house or residence. However, when people say, bring it home, they often mean it metaphorically. In this sense, it's used to encourage someone to complete a task successfully or achieve a goal. It's similar to saying, finish this well, or secure a win. This expression is commonly used in sports, business, and everyday life. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in real life. In sports, the team is counting on you. Bring it home. This means, win the game or competition for us. In business, this project is crucial. We need to bring it home. Here, it means, complete this project successfully. Personal goals. Only one exam left. You can bring it home. This implies, do well in the last exam and achieve overall success. This phrase also holds a cultural significance in many English-speaking countries. It reflects a culture of teamwork, determination, and the importance of completing tasks with success. Understanding such phrases can give you deeper insights into the English language and the cultures where it is spoken. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, bring it home, in a comprehensive way. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about understanding the context and culture behind them. Keep practicing, and don't forget to bring your language learning goals home. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.